You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to hide your apps and games from showing in your public Play Store profile. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the section labeled General. Here you will find an option called Visibility of Play Store Apps. Tap on it. You will now see a list of all the apps and games associated with your Google account. To hide an app, simply find it in the list and tap the toggle switch next to it so it moves to the off position. The app will immediately be hidden from your public profile. You can scroll through and hide as many individual apps as you like. This does not uninstall the app from your device. It only removes it from the list visible to others if they view your Play Store profile. To manage your hidden apps later, return to this same Visibility of Play Store Apps menu. Any app with its toggle switched off is currently hidden, and you can make it visible again by switching the toggle back on. For more simple Android and privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.